How do they feel?
Yeah, good.
Now do your very best impersonation of a German aristocrat's formal greeting. No, Eggsy.
That is sick.
Bienvenue dans Grand Frisson, l'émission qui vous fait des mystères, car le programme de cet épisode est classé top confidentiel.
Did you see the film Trading Places?
No.
How about Nikita? Pretty Woman? All right. My point is that the lack of a silver spoon has set you on a certain path, but you needn't stay on it. If you're prepared to adapt and learn, you can transform.
Oh, like in My Fair Lady.
All right, full of surprises.
Quitte à utiliser un terme un peu ronflant, nous devons bien reconnaître que Matthew Vaughn est définitivement un réalisateur postmoderne.
We call it the postmodern love letter to every spy movie ever made.
Comme il l'avait fait avec le polar, le conte de fées et le film de super-héros, il revisite de nouveau un genre extrêmement codé, mais également victime des dérives du monde contemporain.
Manners maketh man. Do you know what that means? Then let me teach you a lesson.
Kingsman Service Secret est ainsi à la fois un commentaire sur le film d'espionnage et un hommage à ce genre aujourd'hui privé de tout son aspect le plus trivial et réjouissant.
Are we going to stand around here all day, or are we going to fight?
Mais le dernier film de Vaughn est aussi, voire surtout, une tentative de revigorer ces récits quelque peu épuisés.
It came from me and Mark Miller missing the spy films we grew up on in the 60s and 70s. They were fun, you know. Bourne, Bond, they're serious. I mean, they're good films, but they're very serious.
The old Bond movies. Oh, man. Oh, when I was a kid, that was my dream job. Gentleman spy.
I always felt the old Bond films were only as good as the villain. As a child, I rather fancied a future as a colourful megalomaniac.
What a shame we both had to grow up.
It was a very simple aim. Make a fun, entertaining movie with no boundaries. You know, be brave, do stuff that people haven't seen before. You know, the world's pretty crap right now, and I think people need escapism. They need to, you know, give me 2 hours of not having to worry about everything.
Les Kingsmen forment une agence secrète indépendante, œuvrant depuis la nuit des temps à la stabilité du monde. Nantis de moyens colossaux et d'un flegme britannique inébranlable, ces agents secrets doivent mener en parallèle 2 missions. Suite au meurtre brutal d'un de leurs membres, il leur faut recruter un nouvel agent. Mais Exy, le candidat idéal élevé au sein d'une famille défavorisée, risque d'ébranler l'état d'esprit aristocratique de l'agence.
What does this do? Electrocute you?
Don't be ridiculous. It's a hand grenade.
Shut up.
Parallèlement, les Kingsmen doivent stopper les inquiétants et mystérieux projets de l'exubérant Richmond Valentine, un génie du mal forcément mégalomane.
You are completely crazy.
I look like I give a fuck.
S'appuyant sur un jeu constant avec les poncifs du genre, Kingsman est rempli de réjouissantes qualités, comme son caractère très british, qui fait du bien à cette époque de standardisation mondialiste.
Yeah, I hope I don't put off the French audience, but yeah, it's very British. When we came up with this idea, we started off actually calling the project Uncle Sam and doing it with an American, but the references aren't as good. So we said we've got to switch it to England, and then it's not just, I mean, Bond as a spy has the biggest shadow, but it's also Harry Palmer's in there, you know, the Avengers, in like Flint, you know, Man from U.N.C.L.E. I mean, I can go on and on and on. We watched all of them and just taking little bits and stuff and then thinking, how do we do that, but modernize it?
You are about to embark on the most dangerous job interview in the world.
En tant qu'ancien producteur, Matthew Vaughn exploite également à fond un budget bien en deçà de la plupart des blockbusters pour offrir un spectacle généreux. On appréciera notamment son travail sur les décors qui évoquent les plateaux dantesques de Ken Adam.
It was a tricky one because Austin Powers does that properly, you know, where it's obviously a Ken Adams set, so we're like trying to keep it grounded in reality as much as possible, and then towards the end you go, let it slip a bit, but until we get to Valentine's lair, it's very real. I really said we've got to make sure that if I had the money, we could do all this for real. I think with Ken Adams, he just drew stuff and no one cared. But I think with this movie, we had to keep it as grounded as possible.
Et puis, une fois encore, la collaboration de Vaughn avec le chorégraphe des combats Bradley James Allan est épatante.
Brad was trained with Jackie Chan, so he's a very, very smart guy. You know, I joke that we've become like a McCartney-Lennon, where we're very different, but together we do some really, really interesting stuff. And what's good about Brad as well, he listens, like on the skydiving. Everyone was showing me rushes, and I said, the skydiving's not working because everyone looks like they're flying. You know, and then I realized it's because the camera is flying. So if you're doing this, and the camera's stuck, that falls. So I was like, how are we going to shoot skydiving so it looks like they're falling? Because they've got no parachute, so they're falling. And then so we had to get helicopters and stay still and camera. It was really tough. But what was great about Brad is I say, look, I need to push the boundaries. I need to change this, and he just goes, great, let's do it. Instead of other second unit directors go, that's not possible.
On appréciera notamment la maestria de son savoir-faire lors d'un plan séquence à la fois gracieux et brutal.
Brad comes in and I say, right, Brad, I said, look, I want to do a church sequence. I want it to be like a ballet. You know, we want to do it all, so we float around, we do it in one shot, and then he goes off and he does the stuff on the video, and I go, that's fantastic, change this, change that. You don't turn up on the day and go, all right, guys, we're doing a church massacre, the camera's going to come here, everyone start fighting and we'll just, yeah, that's it, we're going home. Oh, it is, everything is done beforehand. Video, actors, it's like doing a big dance. It's like a musical set number with camera, actors, music, special effect, all working together.
Son of a bitch!
Mais si l'on sort de Kingsman avec une large banane, c'est bien grâce au ton punk adopté par Vaughn.
If you get blood on the carpet, you have to take the carpet up! Can't stand the sight of blood.
I love punk, by the way, so, but punk was very serious at the beginning. That wasn't, it was a real statement and changing and stuff. We're more fun punk. We're Blondie. That's what we are. What Blondie was to punk, we are to films.
Avec un entêtement sainement enfantin, le cinéaste cherche en effet à exploser toutes les limites du politiquement correct jusqu'à un bouquet final dont nous vous laissons la surprise.
Assemble. The Kingsman.
I think nowadays we actually need apolitical people because there's so, politics seems to be causing such a mess everywhere and nothing's being solved. Everything's getting worse because people aren't, I think, genuinely doing what's right. So I think there was a bunch of people out there, there were modern day knights right now saying we're going to save the world and we're going to look at both sides of an argument and make everyone work together. That would be good.